what's going on, my super sandwich? It's been a while. I haven't vlogged in ages. Listen, my brain has just been scrambled. I've been working, I've been planning vacations and family stuff. But you might be wondering why I'm in a hotel. Got to iron out the laptop because it's my friend from work, James's wedding today. You know, he just had the wedding. It must have been a couple of hours ago. We're in Cardiff, in Caerphilly. I'm at the Village Town Hotel. It's really nice here, actually. And I'm about to go to the reception. Oh, look at the swag. Wait. Oh my God, is man wearing a waistcoat? Yeah. Oh, I feel saucy. Wait, let's spin this around real quick. I feel saucy. And when I put the shoes on, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Look at these beauties. Oh, my mama gonna be proud of me. My mama gonna be proud. I'm about to go to Caerphilly Castle, which is not far from where I am now. We're gonna go see this castle, go to the reception, meet my director of the company, Pavan, and also one of my favorite colleagues, Agnieszka. We're gonna go and meet them, and then hopefully it's gonna be a good day today. So yeah, stay tuned. Have you guys ever seen me in a suit? Have you ever seen Baisden in a suit? Look at this view behind me. Wow. I feel good, I feel sexy, I feel sweet. My director's down there, Pavan, look, he's coming across on the road. And Agnieszka, she's down there too. Looking lovely as ever. Yeah, I got my clutch, my man clutch. Listen, when the man clutch comes out, brethren, the man clutch, you know that it's a special event. You know, congratulations to James on his wedding day. It's all about him today, it's not about me. Even though I do look motherfucking good, it's not about me today, it's about him. And yeah, we're gonna have a motherfucking good time. Hopefully there's some fried chickens and jerk rice, you know, some plantain, festival, dumpling. And hopefully I don't get too sweaty and ruin my outfit. We're on our way. We're looking snazzy.
Like, Game of Thrones.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, look, trebuchets. That's so cool. How do you feel, Agnieszka? You feel good?
Exhausted.
I think all three of us were ready to just go to sleep and just relax. But we're here for James's day. This is James, guys. This is James from my work.
He's absolutely slaughtered. I've never seen
Yeah. I said that.
Dad,
Dad's
being
old
held
one.
up by another two people.
Yeah, I
and he's
saw
still
that. I
going.
saw that.
Still going.
Your dad, so in his weddings, drunk uncle. That's it. That's
I've
it.
never seen him like that.
I thought that was normal.
Because that's
Is that not
My
normal?
dad has never been like that.
his first son wedding. That's it.
He's happy, yes, one.
Oh,
Take it off now.
That's it.
it doesn't come
Who's
up.
staying?
One last year.
Because I'm married now.
Do you feel different? What happens now? What do you do next?
She looks just like that girl. I love the way she plays it cool.